Reolink cameras now work with Amazon Alexa seamlessly. You can control your Reolink cameras simply with Alexa voice commands. This video will show you the convenience it brings and how to set it up step by step. Before you connect your camera to Alexa, make sure you have 3 devices at hand: a Reolink camera, an Amazon Alexa device, and your mobile phone. And you need 2 apps on your phone: the Reolink app and Amazon Alexa app. And to make your voice command easily recognized by Alexa, you'd better change the camera name. Backyard or Backyard Camera, or names like these will be great. Now, let's start to connect. Launch the Reolink app. You'll find the Smart Home option under the Cloud tab. Choose the devices you want to add and tap Enable on the Smart Home page. Then move to the Amazon Alexa app. First, you sign in and tap the Devices button in the bottom right corner. And then, to add Reolink Smart Home to Amazon Alexa, tap Your Smart Home Skills, then Enable Smart Home Skills. You'll see the search icon in the top right corner. Tap it and search Reolink Smart Home. Tap Enable to Use. And log in to Reolink. When you see Reolink Smart Home has been successfully linked, and go to the next step. Now we need to discover your device on the Amazon Alexa app. Tap Discover Device, or you can just say, Alexa, discover devices. Alexa will show you the devices bound to your Reolink account. The last step: if you want to add your camera to a group, tap Setup Device. If not, you just tap Continue to finish the setup. All set! You are now ready to use Alexa to control your Reolink cam. Here's the easiest voice command you can say to access the live view.
Alexa, show me the backyard.
And you can explore other commands to activate Alexa. If your camera fails to connect to Alexa, check if your camera supports Amazon Alexa on our official support center, support.reolink.com, or contact our support team for help. And also check if the current camera firmware is compatible with Amazon Alexa. If not, please download the latest firmware at Download Center on the Support Center. For more helpful tips, please subscribe to the Reolink channel or click another video to keep watching.